your next home didn't just fit your needs now, but fit your needs for years to come. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins.
And I'm Blake Hansen with Alisha Collins Real Estate Team. Welcome to our newest listing here on 932 Skyline Drive. It's on a corner lot, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, as a 2-car garage, and it's been beautifully maintained.
Let's go look inside.
Inside, you'll find an open, comfortable layout that flows naturally. The bright living room connects seamlessly to the dining area and kitchen, creating a space that feels both welcoming and functional.
The kitchen is the heart of the home. I love this kitchen. Lots of cabinets, lots of counter space, and you all want pantry space. A pantry here and cabinet pantry space here. I think this is the fanciest fridge I've ever seen. It is a French door fridge. It has the Samsung front screen. Pull out. They have soda and drinks in here, and then of course the freezer.
On the main floor, you'll find 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The bedrooms are spacious and full of natural light. And I can't forget to tell you about the main floor laundry. There's plenty of room for folding, there's cabinets on top, and the washer and dryer come with it.
It's hard to find a home in this price range with a primary suite. This room holds a lot of furniture. It's that big. And in the primary bathroom, there is a tub shower combo. The walk-in closet is off of the spacious primary bathroom. Now, the lower level is where the growth can happen and where you can use your creativity.
And with a little work, this could be the perfect living space. Down here, you'll find a 4th conforming bedroom and a 3rd bathroom that will be finished before closing. And on this end of the house, you could make the perfect office or workout room, and this house has plenty of storage.
A couple more things we wanted to tell you.
This house has vinyl siding, central air, and just 1-year-old roof.
This home also qualifies for the Rural Development Program. If you qualify, we love to show you this home, so call or text us today. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon. What if your home...
Sam, hell.
What?
A wasp. I can't stand them.
Oh my gosh,
I
Blake's
can't
gonna
stand
get stung.
They're spacious. On the main bedroom, you'll find 3 bedrooms.
On the main bedroom.
Main bedroom, yep. The bedrooms are on the main bedroom again. Yeah.
Don't get your shoes muddy.
Oh my God.
Oh.